Hi there, students. Asyndeton, Asyndeton, and as well Polysyndeton. Okay, asyndeton is the leaving out of conjunctions between parts of the sentence in constructions which need it. Now, asyndeton, asyndetons, asyndeta. You could have both of those as well. Asyndeta, plural. And we also have polysyndeton as well. I've looked for examples of this asyndeton, but all of the examples, almost all of them, feature the omission of the word and this is something I can understand, because if you're giving a speech, leaving out things like and speed up your speech. They increase the pace. They give it a better rhythm. So, Susan, Sarah, sisters in blood. Okay, so Susan and Sarah are sisters in blood, but the and is missing. You are clever, beautiful, intelligent. I should really use an and there as well. That is asyndeton. Cats, dogs, other pets, all abandoned beside the road. Again, asyndeton. Bob, Tom, many other people were all watching the film. And this is asyndeton. It's the missing out of conjunctions between parts of a sentence. But nearly always it's the word and. I came, I saw, I conquered. Veni, vidi, vici. But there is no and. I came and I saw and I conquered. Or Winston Churchill. We will fight them on beaches. We shall go on to the end. We shall fight in France. We shall fight on the seas and oceans. We shall fight with growing confidence. He's not putting any ands in this. Or Lincoln at Gettysburg. We shall pay any price, bear any burden, meet any hardship, support any friend, oppose any foe to assure the survival and the success of liberty. That's actually John F. Kennedy, but okay, it's leaving out prepositions, leaving out and polysyndeton is using lots and lots and lots of conjunctions to achieve an effect. Now notice with this asyndeton and polysyndeton, these are both to give strength to what you are saying. So polysyndeton is using lots of conjunctions. The birds and the bees and the animals on earth and the people and the hills. By using this, you're adding things to it. And this is the idea of polysyndeton or polysyndeta, plural as well. Okay, so asyndeton, leaving out conjunctions for rhetoric effect, and polysyndeton, using many, many, many conjunctions to achieve an effect in a sentence as well. So, formality. 7 in formality. Use in a semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, we've got a Latin word, asyndeton, from ancient Greek, asundeton. Not, and sundetos, bound together, joined together, sundein. So not bound together, not joined together. Yeah, you're not using the conjunctions to join the words together. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Asyndeton Polysyndeton.